Tracy Thorne-Begland has been a prosecutor in the city for 12 years. I prosecuted with him for a period of time. I think that if you go through his background and his resume, which I know we all have had the opportunity to do, that it is without question that he is extremely qualified. The city of Richmond, I said this earlier today, the city of Richmond has, I think if you counted the number of homicides, aggravated assaults, and rapes that are prosecuted in the city of Richmond, that it would probably add up to the rest of the state's prosecutions combined. And this man has been in charge for the last 3 years, the chief deputy of that office. He's eminently qualified. There are, for 12 years, he's been prosecuting extremely serious crimes. There are, and I can go through the litany, you've all seen the list of, this is just things that he put together off of the top of his head this weekend. But it's case after case after case of men and women that are in jail right now. They're in the Department of Corrections for committing serious and heinous crimes against citizens of the Commonwealth. And many of them have gotten life sentences, 43-year sentences. He's been doing his job, and he's been doing it well. He has been protecting us from criminals. As we're sitting here right now, we got here safely today. One of us could have been the victim of some crime for one of these people that would be walking the street, but for the fact that he put them away. And I would say to you that I have known this man for a very long time, and I believe that he absolutely will carry out the duties of this office in a dignified way and in a correct way. One last thing I want to point out to you: the general district courts in the Commonwealth of Virginia are courts that are like a night court. They deal with issues of, did John smack Mary? Did someone trespass on someone's property? Did someone spray paint someone's home or property? These are the kind of issues that are dealt with in these courts, and the type of issues, the social issues, and those kind of things that would touch upon someone's constitutional interpretations, they don't go before these courts. I'm in a general district court every day. They just don't. And he's indicated that if anything like that came up, he would recuse himself. The man is eminently qualified, and I'm asking you to vote in favor of him being on the general district bench in our city.
Gentleman from Prince William, Mr. Marshall.
Speaking of the resolution,